With overwhelmingly deep bass and clear vocals, these Sony headphones have nearly everything their big brother has, but for less money. Will they be able to win over bass heads or fall short of the mark? This is Glacier Tech. Welcome to the review of the Sony WH-XB900N. Yes, that's their real name. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. Still have the same knife. Nothing's changed on that end. How does this thing come open? Goodness. All this plastic wrap. Do you need any of this? Go! Go away, plastic wrap. We don't need you. We have headphones to look at. Give you guys this unboxing ASMR. Whoa. That's a sturdy handle if I've ever seen one. My goodness. There's the top of the box. I believe you pull on the handle. Oh. Nothing in the box. Look at that. It's empty. Don't need that. Here is the box. It is all black. Very interesting. Oh, there we go. There are the headphones on the inside and a easy setup. Download the app and put on your headphones and connect via the app. So there is an app for this. You can get it on the App Store and Google Play Store to be able to use with these headphones. But now, let's check this out. Unfolds. Oh wow, look at that. It does fold all the way sideways like that. I can tell you these things look very comfortable and very squishy. It's somewhat of a open back looking design on the top of these. Very interesting. That's a good click sound. Very good click. Seem to have metal inside of them. Put these down on the inside of the box. Pull that open. Don't need that. Take a look at all the cables in here. Taking that aggravating piece of tape right there. Ah! Alright, there we go. Here's the headphone cable that comes with it, 3.5 millimeter, I believe, on each side. And here is the USB-C charging cable that comes with it as well. It's got a little rubber band, a little rubber bandy piece right there. Get off of there. And then, of course, all of your papers and everything. That. Ouch, hit my head. And a 360 Realty Audio music service free trial. Guess what, guys? Boom, there you go. You can have that. Don't really care. Sony products, music service free trial. Look at that. All right, cool. I'm gonna get rid of that thing. All right, this as well is the bag that it comes with. Ooh, whoa. It's a very nice feeling bag right in there, and it's really plush and soft on the inside. Feels like a stuffed animal almost. There's the bag it comes with as well. And there's nothing, good padding on the inside of the box, but nothing else in there. How to get started. I first charged the headphones with the included extremely short USB Type-C cable, and that does plug in both ways, which is really nice. I'm just not used to headphones that have USB Type-C. And well, as does every other USB Type-C, you can plug it in both ways, but I appreciated that. And I turned on the headphones with a long press of the power button, and it prompts me to connect my Bluetooth device. I connected on my phone, and once it was connected, I have an Apple iPhone, it prompted me to install the app. and I went through the setup process after that, and I was ready to go. Let's move on to some of the features. The headphones still work without the app, but most of the features are unlocked using the available apps. There are multiple apps you can use for these headphones, but the Sony Headphones Connect app is the main one. With the app, you can have adaptive sound control. Let me read you what it says. The app detects your actions and locations you frequent and automatically switches the headphone settings, such as how to take in ambient sound and other different settings like that. And you can set it to automatically switch based on locations that you are frequently at. And it automatically learns the locations that you're at. Or if you want, you can manually enter locations that you want to change the settings for, which is really interesting. I don't know how useful that would be. Seems more of like a gimmicky type thing, but maybe if your commute is the same every day, that might work for you. You can turn on how much ambient sound you want, all the way from noise canceling to basically a hearing aid. It'll amplify the sound. You can turn on sound position control, which changes the direction your music comes from. You can change the type of surround sound you want, from off to concert hall to outdoor stage to club to arena. It's hard to describe. I don't know how they did it, but it actually sounds like the description of the locations. It's really interesting. You have to kind of try it to hear that. It has an equalizer, so you can change the sound signature and even customize it the way you like it. You can change the sound quality mode to prioritize sound quality or prioritize a stable connection. You can change the function of the custom button on the left ear cup, from changing the ambient sound control to activate a Google Assistant and activating Amazon Alexa. You can turn on automatic power off. So if you set the headphones down, it'll automatically power the headphones off all the way from a 5-minute time to 3 hours. Or you can turn that feature off to where they'll just stay on the whole time. You can even change the language of the notifications and voice guide. There was a lot of different languages. I can't remember all of them, but that's a good feature. The performance. The sound is really open, and the bass is definitely present. Sony always does an amazing job on their headphones sound, and this is no exception. It's comparable to the clarity of the Bose QC35s, which are the headphones that I currently use. But the Sony XBs are geared more towards extra bass, the XB, I think that's what they want that to stand for. The comfort is great. You can definitely wear them on a long airplane flight. I personally like the depth of the Bose ear cups better, but I think it's up to personal preference of style and how much bass you want to decide between the two, because they're both really comparable. Would I buy? If I didn't already have a high-end pair of headphones, I would seriously consider these. The sound is great, the app has a lot of different functions, and they're comfortable. I would also get a hard carrying case for these headphones because the fabric one just isn't very protective. I wouldn't really switch them out for my Bose headphones because there's not a huge difference between the two, but if I didn't already have the Bose headphones, I would seriously consider these. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell. I think it's somewhere over there. And so you're notified whenever I make a future video. I think there's subscribe there. There's a video right here you can go to check out. You can keep watching videos on the channel. I'll be posting more eventually. And I'll see you next time on Glacier Tech.